Hi, welcome back to Informatica tutorial. In the last class, we have seen how to use Aggregator to load department ID and sum of salary and average salary from the employees table into a target file. So let's see, Aggregator can be used to remove duplicates. So suppose we have a table, our source table employees, and in this we have some duplicate records somehow, and we want to remove the duplicates. So then we can put aggregator here and group by all the ports. So basically, if you group by all ports, you can remove the duplicate. So only one, after removing the duplicates, you can load into a target table. So let's see how to do that in Informatica. We have seen earlier, we have used sorter transformation to remove the duplicates. So let me remove the sorter transformation here and put aggregator transformation, create aggregator agg underscore remove dupes. So aggregator transformation is created. So I will take all the ports from the output group of the union transformation, and I will connect all of these to the aggregator, and from aggregator I'll connect the output to the target. So now I need to set some properties here. So all are input and output ports. I'm not using any aggregation functions like sum or average here. So my only goal is to remove the duplicates. In that case, I need to group by all the ports in the aggregator transformation. So I'm leaving the other properties as is. So I save this, and let's see now what is the let's run this mapping and see what is the output. So WFM employees union I'm going to take and refresh the mapping once and save this. So let me run this. So if I run this now and see in workflow monitor, so if you remember earlier, I have put duplicates wantedly in the medium salary file. So it failed. Let me check once why it failed. I took the workflow log and checking why it failed. So it says the repository service marked the session as impacted. The integration service is not configured to run the impacted sessions. Okay, the session is invalid. So the refresh did not happen after I changed the mapping. So let me fix that issue. I'll just close or I'll just disconnect totally from this folder one, and I'm going to open this again, and let me check now, refresh mapping once and save this. Now let me run this again. So did I save this or not? Let me check again. It failed for the same reason. So I have validated the mapping, I have validated the session again and refreshed it and running it again. So let's see now how many records this will give me. So earlier we have seen that I wantedly introduced duplicates in the medium salary file 62 records, and I eliminated these duplicates by using sorter transformation. So this time we used aggregator. So basically we are getting 107 records in the output. So let's see in the target schema how many we are going to get. So target.employees, so we have 107 records, and so this time it has not sorted by any particular key, it just eliminated the duplicates. So we will just see one more option in the aggregator. So basically there is an option called sorted input in the aggregator. So if you want to use aggregator transformation and give a group by on any field like department ID, it has to first sort all the records based on department ID and bring all the department ID, same department ID records into one place, and then do some aggregator on that. So it has to do sorting internally. So if we send sorted data to aggregator, somehow it will be faster than if we send unsorted data, because it has to sort. So when we send sorted data, we can check this option. So let's check this option, and I'll put a sorter transformation before the aggregator, and use the sorted input option. Okay, let me do this example in the first aggregator mapping which I have done. So here I have grouped by department ID. So I need to sort by department ID. So let me introduce a sorter transformation here. Transformation create sorter SRT underscore employees, and I can pull department ID from here and salary from here, and I'll sort this based on the sorter key would be department ID. Then I can choose so department ID is input, salary is input. Then I can choose here sorted input option. So I saved this mapping. So let me now open the workflow manager and run this refresh the mapping and run this workflow. So WF employees AGG. So I refreshed this mapping, save this. So this is valid. Now I hope I've given truncate load. Okay, this is a flat file. It will get overwritten. So start task, and let's see how it is running. So I should get only 12 records like before, and the result would not be same, but when you are okay, partitioning license required. Okay, once. Okay, looks like my Informatica does not have the partitioning license, so I cannot do this unless I have that. So, but you get the idea. So that is how you can do when you have that partitioning license. So let me refresh the mapping once and save this and run this. So it should basically load the 12 records like before. So it got loaded just now. So let's see agg1.out. So this should have 12 records like before. Yeah, we got the same output. So yeah, you can do that sorted input option that way, but unfortunately I'm not able to do that now. So in the next class we'll see one more variation of aggregator. Thank you.